We'll guide you through how to make an auto smelter in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So I like to go and start at the bottom here. So first of all, I'm going to go and place 2 chests like so and make a dual chest. Then what you want to do above this is you need to go and get some hoppers. Go and stand on top of the chest and hold shift and then jump and place the hopper on the chest so it's going into it, and you can then go and do another as well like so. Then what you need to do is go and place the furnace above the hopper, just like this. And then we need to go on top of the furnace and you want to go and place another hopper on each. So jump while holding shift and you can then go and place the hopper like so. Now what you can then do is go and put a chest on top of these hoppers as well. So you'll need to go and be holding shift and jump just like that, and there we go. And then what you want to do is go and put in the ore, which you want to go and smelt in this top chest like so. And as you can see, it's now decreasing and going into the furnaces. And then what we can do is go and put coal into the furnaces just like so. And now it's going to go and start smelting. And what you could also do is go and put more hoppers on this chest and then even more chests on top of that with the raw ores or whatever you want to smelt, and they'll then move their way around. And you can also install more storage down here as well by putting more hoppers and more chests to then go and move the smelted good or the cut good into another chest. If I come down here, as you can see, it's now filling up with iron.